Hey everybody, it's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and let's just say you won't be taking these shoes for granted when you get to the top of that mountain that you've been trying to climb and your feet are still feeling super comfy. Because with the Granite 2 shoes from Louis Garneau, you're gonna kill all those trails. This road biking shoe is made from a seamless PU leather upper. It's giving you lots of sleek vibes. You also have the hook and loop strap over the top of the vamp to really keep that secure fit, and combined with the BOA IP1S two-way micro adjustment, you've got an awesome, secure, and custom fit. You've got some ventilation areas up here to keep that foot nice and cool, and that X comfort zone is giving you an expandable zone to accommodate a variety of feet widths and prevent numbness out on the road. Up here near the collar, we've got lots of nice padding to keep that ankle supported and comfy, and a minimal tongue with a little bit of padding and cushion in there to give you lots of support. On the inside, we've got a textile lining, which is going to give you additional airflow to keep that foot comfy and nice and cool. Down inside, we've got a padded insole with Power Zone technology that increases arch support and the power transfer through the pedal. We've got HRS 90 heel retention that's going to keep that foot in place and make sure your heel doesn't go slipping around when you're out on the road. And of course, on the bottom, we've got the Ergo Grip to nylon fiberglass that provides excellent traction and efficient mud cleaning. And of course, we have the SBD cleat that fits all major MTB pedals. So for lots of modern day comfort, features, and a cool, sleek, comfortable style, you can't miss out on this one, so go pick it up. It's from Louis Garneau.